guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Basically it's really late at night. I've had a pretty eventful day, but it's pretty late at night right now and I'm pretty bored. Nothing to do. I'm not really tired yet, so I was like, let's make a video. Is that better? Worse? I don't know. So I decided to Google YouTube ideas because I wanted to see what I can make in like 10 minutes. Also, I'm moving out soon, so I'm going to be back home, even though 2 videos ago I moved in. It's actually been 4 months here. So I wanted to do something, you know, in my room before I have to move out and leave it behind. It's been a good little room for the last 4 months, but yeah, so I wanted to do something, and so that's what we're going to do. So I googled top YouTube videos or YouTube video ideas, and I found this list that is the top 100 YouTube video ideas. Obviously I'm not going to do 100 because this is one video and it's late at night and we've only got so much time and resources and energy and all sorts of things. So first thing on the list is introduce yourself. Make an introduction video. Even though this isn't, you know, the start of my channel, hi, this is Beauty and Brains, welcome. Make a response video. At the time of me shooting this video, unfortunately Stan Lee has passed away. So if you don't know, Stan Lee was one of the guys that made the Marvel comic. But I did see every Marvel movie that has come out and I'm a big fan of those, and I know without his works, those wouldn't have been inspired for those. So rip Stan Lee, and I hope his family are doing okay and things like that. So number 3, start a vlog. Hey guys, this is my vlog. So it's 11 o'clock at night and I'm making a video. Shout out if you like videos. I'm gonna continue doing this now and move on to question 4. Shout out if your favorite number is number 4. This is my vlog, as you guys heard. This is my life. Bye. Okay, I know every vlog is not like that, but I mean, or do an opinion video. Hot political debate. I don't think in the first 3 minutes I'm gonna say of this video we should be getting into politics. For another channel. I don't need to start about politics. Someone else can deal with that. Challenge video. This is my challenge video, you know, 16 coffees in one day, wow, I'm so bad. I don't know, that's the best we're gonna do. Like I said, it's 11 o'clock at night, I don't have any resources. That's what I have right now, because instead of choosing to sleep, I'm choosing to drink coffee because that's who I am. 6, review something. Product. This is my thermos that I have had for, and it holds my delicious coffee, which is what I need to survive. I have one when I wake up, I have one after breakfast, or for breakfast. Most of the time it's for breakfast. Then I have one at lunch, and I have one sometimes at dinner, and then right now before I go to sleep I have another. So number 7, what's on my phone? Everyone has their phone, but no 2 phones are the same. What apps do you use and why? So on my main screen, because I am that person, I have myself as my phone screen. So from left to right we have Snapchat, Instagram, Wish, Facebook, Messenger. Then we've got my banking app, my notes, Pinterest, a game, Spotify, Vodafone, gallery, calculator, messaging, and Play Store. Life problems, music, and social media. I have one game though. One game. So, number 8, favorite songs. So recently, like literally yesterday, I found this band. I definitely don't think it's a new band, but I found it because, you know when you're on Spotify and your playlist just sort of play? It was doing that, and I found this really awesome band called, maybe I should have pre-planned this because I did read the list before, Framing Hanley. There we go. That only took me a hot minute. So Framing Hanley, that's one of the songs that, that's one of the bands I'm really into lately. Yeah. Number 9, favorite movies. As said before, Marvel. Anything Marvel is my favorite, besides Thor Ragnarok. If you're not a Kiwi, you won't get any of that humour. Shout out, I'm from New Zealand. Favorite TV shows. So I don't actually watch TV, other anime, which is Japanese TV, so I guess that would be my favorite TV shows. That's a stretch. Make a comedy skit. as you can tell from the jokes I'm trying to crack during this video, I don't think that'll be very successful. So we're just gonna pretend that one didn't exist. Number 13, create a pilot for a series. Maybe you want to make a video series, like a show or TV series hosted on YouTube. If that's what you want to do, go ahead and make a pilot. You know what? If this goes well, this can be the pilot episode of that series. I'll make a series of go through, because as I said, this is a list of 100 things. I'm only doing the top 20 because I still have to edit this, and you know, if it's not that great, I don't really want to go through 100. If you guys like this and you want to see the rest of them and me talk about them, maybe I'll be more prepared. So like when it comes to do a comedy skit, I can actually give you something funny, and I can actually have things, you know, to make a video. Number 14, make a haul video. I've already done that. That was the second video on my channel. Fudge, no it wasn't. It was the third video on my channel. I'll leave a link to it up here below, and I might have to invert that footage if it's actually over there, but I'll leave it in a card up here below. Up here below. Show off a collection. Actually, I do have a collection I can show off. Right, the only collection of things that I have is my makeup collection, because obviously, like I said, I am doing special effects and makeup and things like that, so I have this entire little shelf thing that has all my makeup in it. So that's like the biggest collection of things that I have. So starting from the top, we've got lipsticks, then we've got brushes and sponges, eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadows, eye makeup. Those all just still have eyeshadows and things in them because I have 3. Box full of foundations, my special effects stuff, beauty and skincare, nail care and hair care, and jewelry. If you want me to do a real like in-depth of all the makeup and things that I have, then maybe eventually I'll do that, but for now, there you go, that's my collection. 16, parody another video. I mean, this is pretty much it. Like, this is just ticking off all the boxes. This is pretty much anyone that's ever like top 10 things that I found on, well, I couldn't even think of a proper sentence for that, but I mean, that's pretty much what it is. 17, sing a song. Sing a song, any song, just don't try and monetize it. Little do they know that this video is not getting monetized anyway. A, B, C. I assume most of you are watching this video with headphones, so I don't want my voice to be going straight into your ears at a very loud frequency to cause you to go deaf. So, trust me when I say I'm doing this for the both of us. 18, show a fun day with Number 18, show a fun day with your friends. If any of them were still at uni, I would be with them right now. Or if any of them were awake. So, 19, give a tour of your room. Well, you're pretty much seeing 90% of my room anyway, but you know what, just for you, I'll give you the good tour. Alright, so this is my bed, and then we come over, that's the camera cap, right. So this is my bed, right, and then we take a 45-degree turn, and that is my desk and shelf, and there's literally nothing on it anymore because I packed most of my stuff up, you know, my makeup. And I've got my wardrobe here. That is for a green screen. Obviously now it's like moved around and things like that, so it doesn't really work, but like when they're all together, that works for a green screen, and that's how I black out some of the edges and things on photos and things like that. Then we've got me, and yes, I'm carrying the entire tripod because putting it down and bringing it back up is not gonna work. And then we've got a Polaroid of all my friends, and yeah, see, I do have friends. They're on there. And then that's a painting I did. I was gonna do a video of me painting that, but it just didn't work. So now you guys get to see it on there instead. Enjoy. And number 20, give a tour of your hometown. They couldn't have picked any different one from number 20. Okay, so maybe I would eventually, but right now my hometown is kind of like 4 hours that way, so I don't think that's gonna be good right now. But I did grow up in Manmada. Shout out to there. Actually, most of you guys will probably know it. It's the place, you know, Hobbiton, where Lord of the Rings was filmed. That's where I grew up. So I grew up in the one place in New Zealand that anyone else from the world knows. So thank you guys for joining me on this little journey, I guess. I know this is kind of just a weird video and it's not really related to my channel, but you know, I kind of want to branch out and do other things besides just makeup and special effects, even though that'll be a big chunk of what my channel is, but it'll be cool to do some things like this and, you know, bring some friends on and do some weird stuff. So hopefully you guys can enjoy things like that. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you want me to do another one, like I said, there's still another 80 things on there that I could do and probably be more prepared for next time, and probably do it in the daytime so we can have better lighting so I don't have a mirror as my light. If you guys want to subscribe to when I make that next video, then please subscribe, and if you hit the bell icon so you get post notifications every time that I post a new video, which hopefully will be soon. My editing software started working again, so I mean, hopefully that's sign one that this is going to go well. Anyway guys, I'll catch you next time. I'm going to finish my coffee and go straight to bed because I'm a weird person that can do that. Bye!